is it that?
So Kathy and I are no longer in Missouri.
No.
We're going to be hiking. What's it called?
Well, we're at the Enchanted Forest Sanctuary in Titusville, Florida. So there's some trails here we're gonna try to hike.
Yeah. And we put bug spray on.
Yeah.
It was suggested.
It's very buggy.
Yep. So if we see something exciting, we'll take you with us. Kathy's behind me there. She has all trails on her phone. If you don't have that app and you do a lot of hiking, it's like $30 a year, but it's well worth it. It tells you if you're on the trail, off the trail. So, well, yeah, it's a good app. And what trail we doing, hon?
We'll go with this biodiversity loop, maybe?
That's one you and Darla did, isn't it?
I think it is. There's a pretty long one that we did not do because we didn't have water.
What's that thing? Oh, hourglass for some reason. It's humid. We did bring water. We are definitely not in the Ozarks.
No, we're in a forest.
We're in a jungle. And Kathy and I couldn't remember who wrote the song. What's it? Welcome to the jungle.
There's a top side ahead, a bridge, 300 feet.
Ooh.
Get ready.
Get ready. Some fun is beginning.
Oh, I guess like that slid off or people were hiking.
I don't know. Lots of palm trees. We saw some Spanish moss. Kind of neat in here. Look how deep it is down there. I see the bridge down in the bottom. That's a big old tall tree. Look at all the Spanish moss in that tree. Big one. It's not, temperature wise, it's not bad in here, is it?
Nice. Not too hot.
Here's the bridgie. And a place to sit. Got to get a picture.
Doing this right,
Huh?
change clothes.
Would you?
Yeah. Oh, is it that?
Jump, made me jump when you... Nice wooden walkways here in the jungle.
That squirrel scared me.
That squirrel did?
Yeah.
Squirrel scared Kathy. That snake jumped. If you see it in the video, I jumped with it. I was telling Kathy, you don't hear a lot of, when we're hiking in the Ozarks, you don't hear a lot of traffic or helicopters. We're hearing both on this trail. We're not that far away from a city, basically. We're south part of Titusville, Florida. And then the trail gets holes like this in it.
Sure is.
We're supposed to be finding a unique tree up here. I saw a blaze on a tree, hon.
You did?
Yeah, red, almost faded though.
I must not seen that. There's a curve that I was telling you about.
Yep.
This.
And here's where the trail is not so smooth.
A little bumpy.
Look at this tree here. Go stand by it, hon.
You go stand by it. I'll take
I got.
Oh my gosh. It's huge.
It looks like it's falling too.
Yeah.
Just so it doesn't fall while I'm underneath here. How big this thing is.
The rocks got roots. And that hurts you just the same.
Don't pay attention, you'll go down.
The root field.
We found oranges. Wonder if they're edible.
They look like they are, don't they?
Uh-huh.
Those right there do.
Now here's, oh, that's a lizard. Let's see if I can get some video of it. Nope. It's running too fast. Well, we're walking this sandy trail and we're out in the direct sunlight. It got warm.
Florida hot.
Florida hot.
Yeah,
We're-
there's that ridge trail that goes a big circle like that.
Yeah. We didn't get very much elevation. When I looked, I think we only had 21 feet of elevation. Florida's a flat state.
Split 1, split pace, 26 minutes, 25 seconds per mile.
We survived the jungle. This was a nice little trail. We got to see wild oranges and lots of palm trees. Not bad. What do you think, Kathy?
I thought it was good.
Just good?
Yeah, it's a good trail.
Okay.
Nice. Nice Florida hike. Well worth doing.